Yeah. Yep, we gotta go down. This is that.
All gates. Terminal, all gates. Terminal 8.
This is at Newark EWR Liberty International Airport.
You going down?
Yeah.
Are you coming in? I got it just in time for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome, ma'am. Just one level down. Yep, right here.
That way. That way.
Is this level 1?
No.
Level 2.
I'm gonna wait for the next one. See, there it goes. Oh, we got it to ourselves. We can hear this motor on this thing. Got like a few steps up. All right, and that'll be it.